Do you love skiing? If you do, Europe should be on your list of places to ski because there are countless fantastic ski destinations, each with their own unique charms and features. To help you choose the best one, we have compiled a list of 5 best ski destinations in Europe. With expensive resorts, world-renowned dining and accommodation for every type of adventurer, skiing in Europe is a near unbeatable experience. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll be able to find the best ski resorts for your needs in Europe. Hey guys, and welcome to Dream Destinations. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Choosing where to go skiing can be a tricky old thing. After all, it's fundamentally snow and mountains. Plus, there are just so many places to choose from. The more you ski though, the more you start to pick up on subtle differences between the different types of ski resorts and start to realise that some are actually more suited to certain people than others. The European ski season generally runs from late November to mid to late April. The exact dates will of course depend on the ski resort, and it can vary from year to year depending on the snow conditions. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Val d'Isère, France. Sharing a high valley surrounded by 3,000 metre high peaks, Val d'Isère and the neighbouring Tignes offer 300 kilometres of skiable terrain served by the 150 ski lifts. It's a firm favourite for its epic slopes and après-ski opportunities that make this French hideout a perfect place to ski right next to the Italian border. If you are looking for some challenging runs, head up to the Face de Belvarde, which is a black run and around 3 kilometres or so long. It's still one of the most popular ski resorts in the world for most travellers. Why? Most likely it's because it has something for everyone, from great beginner slopes to the challenging off-piste. It has the rare ability to keep the whole family happy. If all the skiing leaves you parched, head out for an epic and lively night. Number 2. Zermatt, Switzerland. The second largest cable car in the world is one that will take you to Zermatt, one of the best ski resorts and at the same time the most cosmopolitan ski resort in Switzerland and in all of Europe, where the slopes follow each other and even reach an altitude of 3,820 metres. It is a traditional village with many restaurants and bars where you can enjoy food and drinks while gazing at the unique alpine landscape. The slopes are suitable for both experienced and advanced skiers, as well as for beginners. It is also ideal for many winter sports, even the mountaineering and glacier climbing. Zermatt is a car-free village with a buzzy atmosphere, making it a postcard-friendly ski resort. Number 3. St. Anton am Arlberg, Austria. It is famous for its challenging ski runs and world-renowned après. It is one of the best ski resorts in Europe for expert skiers and boarders due to its gullies, balls and strong powder conditions. Although pro skiers will love what St. Anton has to offer, it is not a great ski resort for beginners, so it's best avoided by those just starting out. St. Anton is one of the more luxury ski resorts in Europe, so it is not a particularly budget-friendly resort to visit. As one of the oldest resorts in the Alps, the town brings buckets of traditional Tyrolean charm and authentic feel. It's a big town, so there are a wealth of hotels to choose from, as well as restaurants and bars. There are also a number of activities for non-skiers, or for those who just want a break from the slopes on bad weather days. These include indoor and outdoor climbing walls, tennis courts and bowling alleys. Number 4. Alpe d'Huez, France. This resort is a perfect mix of fun, relaxation and sports. It is one of the favourite resorts for families, but also for friends, couples, beginners and experienced skiers. Alpe d'Huez is also one of the best ski resorts for guaranteed snow. It was 3 times awarded the title of the best ski resort in Europe. Alpe d'Huez is above all an incredible atmosphere. It is both a family ski resort and authentic resort, but also fun and perfect for shopping. And finally, it is the best ski resort for, well, skiing in the state-of-the-art infrastructure. This resort offers holidaymakers indoor and outdoor sports and cultural activities. Alpe d'Huez is a par excellence lifestyle resort with a wide range of opportunities of snow sports and plenty of other activities. Alpe d'Huez sits on a lofty 1,860 metres above sea level and boasts an average of 300 days of sunshine per year. There are plenty of après-ski opportunities for most types of winter lovers. Those wishing to dance till dawn may find their options a bit limited though. Nevertheless, there are numerous restaurants and bars on the slopes and at the base. And last but not least, number 5, Kitzbuhel, Austria. It is a name with a long history, as it is the meeting point of most adventurous skiers and those who love adrenaline and are fans of extreme sports. You will find the most impressive and challenging ski slopes in the world, which is an excellent lure for those who love skiing. Kitzbuhel is one of the most popular resorts and is rightly one of the best ski resorts in Europe, offering high quality services. Just 75 kilometers from the scenic Salzburg, you will find the paradise of the snow and winter sports. However, Kitzbuhel is a destination whose activities are not limited to winter sports services. If you are in Kitzbuhel, take a tour of the wonderful medieval city with a combination of modern and traditional elements. Relax in one of the many luxurious hotels, experience unforgettable gastronomic experiences in the most famous restaurants, and for your night entertainment, get lost in one of the numerous bars of the area. Now that you know the top ski destinations in Europe, I hope this video will help you choose one. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Dream Destinations. Thanks for watching, and until next time.